Senator Daniel Thatcher is proposing maps that he says meet the thresholds set by the courts, but they still may not make everyone happy.
I have a map that I actually drew during redistricting as a Republican that is compliant with all of the orders under Proposition 4.
Senator Daniel Thatcher is the only sitting lawmaker who's not a Republican or Democrat. He's a member of the Forward Party. On Wednesday, he submitted his own proposed map as part of court-ordered redistricting. It splits the congressional districts along I-15, and he says it does keep many communities together. But Salt Lake County still gets split.
All the rural areas are kept completely within their county boundaries. We cut Utah County, we cut Salt Lake County, we cut Weber-Davis in half. So each district will end up having 3 separate and unique parts.
A judge sided with the League of Women Voters and Mormon Women for Ethical Government, ruling the legislature improperly overrode Proposition 4, the citizen ballot initiative for independent redistricting. She threw out the existing congressional maps and ordered new ones to be drawn under a tight deadline. The Utah Supreme Court recently refused to grant the legislature's request for a stay, and the Republican supermajority agreed to comply. So the legislature is moving ahead with redistricting, and here's what's going to happen next. There's a pair of public hearings next week where people can show up and give comment to the legislature's redistricting committee about what they would like to see in these new congressional districts. Any maps approved by that committee will go out for a 10-day public comment period starting September 25th. There is a special session of the Utah State Legislature scheduled for early October. If those maps are adopted, they still have to go back to the judge for her approval. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.